Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then again 7 minus 7 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. Here P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Last and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now, according to the rule, first priority is this multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 7 minus 7 multiplied 7 is equal to 49 minus 7 is equal to, here is multiplication and here is subtraction and here is subtraction. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so 7 minus 49 is equal to minus 42 minus 7. Now, minus 42 minus 7 is equal to minus 49. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 49. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.